So hello everyone. Today I want to share a super useful and beginner friendly concept in Python, list unpacking, especially with the asterisk operator. So let's start with a simple example. So here we have got a list of three numbers and we are directly assigning each value to a variable. This is called list unpacking. Python breaks the list and hands each element to a variable. Now here comes the cool part. What if we don't know how many elements are in the list? Or what if there are too many elements? So let me show you what happens if we try this. Python will complain. Too many values to unpack. That's where the asterisk operator becomes really handy. Watch this. Nice, right? A gets a first item and the asterisk B collects the rest into a list. You can even use asterisk in the middle. So here, A gets the first value, C gets the last value, and asterisk B scoops up everything in between. So this is super useful when working with function, processing variable and data, or just keeping your code flexible and clean. So here is the quick recap. List unpacking lets you assign values from a list to a variables in one line. The asterisk operator helps when the list size might change or when you want to grab multiple elements. So that's it for today. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Python basics, and comment below if there is a topic you would like me to break down next. So see you in the next one.